7:09 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Pieces to Andy Park, moving west at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to siding.
Kismet! Severe thunderstorm.
Locations impacted include Valley, Louisiana, Roanoke,
Sissy, save us!
Lafayette, Stroud,
Save us, Sissy!
Montley, Woodland,
Hang on.
Illinois, Lakeview, 5 Points,
Ginger!
Malone,
Save us, Ginger!
Forks,
The severe thunderstorm.
Amity Park,
Save us!
Nevada. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama: Chambers and Randolph. Heat advisory remains in effect until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time Thursday. What? Heat index values of 104 to 109 each afternoon. Where? All of
didn't
Central
activate.
Alabama.
That's
West
bullcrap.
until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time Thursday. Impacts. Hot temperatures and high humidity may cause heat illnesses to occur. Drink plenty of fluids. Stay in an air-conditioned room. Stay out of the sun.
Hi! As y'all can see, this 120 went off, which indicates that there was an alert for my county.